ready to go here. Their time is almost expired. It's about 1 a.m. in the morning. So they are getting set up. And getting everything all packed away. Up next is going to be our other college team. It's the NASA Space Grant team, the Sun Devils of Arizona State, their ROV. They'll be up next. Okay. And you might have heard me through this evening talking about the Carl Hayden robot and the great video shots that they're allowing us to have this year that we haven't had in the past. And we've got a little video that talks about their ROV and their team, and we'll go ahead and run that right now. So that's the rover that's given us all these great shots. And again, we'd like to thank the Carl Hayden team for providing that to us and getting some of the great shots from different angles, up close, and just angles that we wouldn't be able to have if we didn't have the mobile robot in the pool. And again, we want to thank you all for joining us. This is the National Underwater Robotics Challenge here at Chandler High School in Chandler, Arizona. This is a live feed from poolside as our teams get ready to compete. The teams have been competing for the last 2 days, and as far as the competition for the robots in the water, we are now entering our 6th hour of competition. Again, the competition is run at night. That way we simulate operating in the depths of the ocean, where the only light that the ROV has to light its way is the light that it has provided for itself, to create a much more realistic challenge for the teams. So it's a great opportunity. This is the 5th year that we have done this, and it's a great opportunity for students to get hands-on engineering experience, and we would encourage any of the local grade schools, middle schools, high schools, colleges, as well as adult teams to come and join us next year, 2012. There is a kit in the box that's available. If you go to the website, there's a link there that'll take you. It's a relatively inexpensive kit. You can start experimenting in your pool. And we'd love to have you out here next year. Again, you can see, looks like some of our volunteers out there. Haven't seen the team come out to the pool. The volunteers, you can see some of the light sticks, the glow sticks that they have. Again, we wouldn't be able to do this without our great sponsors that we have. We'd like to thank APACE, the Arizona Promoters of Applied Science in Education. Again, this is hands-on learning, and that's what APACE is all about. Our next sponsor is PADT, the Phoenix Analysis and Design Technologies. They're our title sponsor this year, and again, we'd like to thank them for all their assistance. Again, Carl Hayden High School. We'd like to thank them. They designed the mission, designed the props, and they're here staffing the event tonight. We'd like to thank them. Chandler High School. They've provided this great facility for us to compete in over the last 5 years, and a thank you to Chandler High School. Trace Aquas, we'd like to go ahead and thank them. If you like to sail, if you like to scuba, if you like to travel, Trace Aquas is the place where you want to head off to. They've supplied all of our aquatic equipment that we need. We are operating in a pool, so there's scuba tanks and air that we need. Si se puede. As you can see the team moving in the background into position. We'd like to thank Si se puede for not also sponsoring 2 teams in the competition, as well as sponsoring the event. To Inventivity, to Seed Architecture, and to Critical Mass Communications, as well as our great friends at Carry Home Inspection and Nello's Pizza. And you wouldn't be seeing all these great videos if it wasn't for the great folks at Chandler Educational Television. Again, we would like to thank them for all their hard work as they enter into their 6th hour of broadcast, but there's many, many more hours of setup. Once again, this is the Arizona State University's NASA Space Grant Robotics team, and they're out of Tempe, Arizona. We've got a great little video that they've put together, and let's go ahead and run that now.